Jennifer, how far now? Where your boyfriend? No, I don't want to date any boy again. I want you to under my skirt that they won't chop. They won't chop my soup. I want you to under my skirt that I won't chop. Ozuo. Besides what you get from under your skirt, what you get to offer boy? What you get to offer man? Which idea you get to offer man? Even 1 naira you don't get. You don't get 1 naira. Even cow rings you don't get. See my guy, if you meet any girl wey be say the girl no get wetin dey do, you know they learn work, you know they go work, you know they do sales get work, nothing wey they do. Boss, don't give her 1 naira. You try your best and cut her soap. And if you cut her soap and you cut the soap for bed, if she dey scream, dey talk say, baby, I never come, no stop, my guy no allow her come, stop am, no allow her come. You know she no deserve am. No give her 1 naira, no give her 1 naira. You dey expect me boy no leave you. Boy no leave you, and you no go to use your life dey do from Monday to Friday. Nothing. You dey dey from one place to another place, one beer parlour to another beer parlour. Now you dey go. Now therefore they see you beer parlour to beer parlour. You know the shame. But they expect say all boys now are the same. Na when you don under my leg, they wan shop. You no want me the boy leave you. Which market you dey sell? Which apple you put for when you dey sell? There is a which market you dey sell? Even respect you no get, character you no get, nothing wey you get. No good thing. Na only bad math you get, bad math now you get. You say you no get with the respect, you no get with the fear, and they fear anybody. Even apple you no fit sell apple for market. Your wide math. See, make I ask you one thing first, the kind of life now wey you dey live now from Monday to Friday, and they put your pants for different place. And if you see your fellow girl when they stand for road, they say they be runs girl. I like, now you be runs girl, now you be runs girl, now you be okpo, you know because they be okpo, na what you be. They put your pants from Monday to Friday. So till your immune is come poof, you can't swell up, you can't grab. You know that Lara they rest. You know they rest, you don't grab, you don't swell up. You go marry yourself. You go marry yourself. I saw I asked one shower one day this last 2 years. He say it's not allowed, it's not that they marry the best husband. Up till now, they wait for marriage, never see marriage. Marriage never come. She don't the age they go now. Never see marriage. More than they get sense. Try use your life to do better thing. Go learn work. Most of them now they learn work. Now they used to run the up and down. Before you want make guys no chop what you do under your skirt to run leave you, make sure say you get some idea, you get sense, you get waiting at least everything. If any guy meet you and the guy no fit see that thing for any other girl body. You get the point, abi? When they come see one innocent boy, we don't go also for money till night come. You go ask the boy money for air, go give you. Ask the boy money for this one, go give you. And you expect me the boy no shop what you do under your skirt, run leave you. Even food you no fit cook. I won't start doing Indomie pass you. Come out to boy Indomie, you don't know how to do nothing. Even to wash your boyfriend cloth na problem. You don't fit wash clothes. Come with your boyfriend clothes, you don't fit wash. You don't get anything for your head, and you expect me one innocent boy. Punishing gum you dey follow you from back to back. If you know say you be girl and you dey into this kind of art when they make your son, no vex so. I try to dey advise you. If any guy dey date you, leave that boy. I like that boy no go marry you. He wan use you to dey cash cruise. You no go marry you, leave am. Any guy wey see am say you no get work when you dey work from Monday till Friday, only wetin the guy dey do be say call you for phone, hello baby come my house now. Leave that boy. That boy na bad boy. That boy wan use the one bed. Like you say, if he bed dey go, he wan use the one bed. Some guys go dey follow you like zombie. Leave that boy. The boy wan use to cash cruise. You understand me? So this video get part 2 to part 4. More na wait for boys soon. All those foolish boys and they come from una get the point, abi? And the outcome in the year. It's not. The only idea wey you get for your life na to dey scream for bed, dey shout, baby, I never come. No allow her come. If your girl dey scream for bed and she no get wetin she dey do for her life, no give her 1 naira. Because the more you give her money, that means you dey encourage her to dey stay house. Any girl wey be saying you see say the girl no get wetin dey do, she no get any work, no cut soap give am. No. They cut her soap. And me no cut soap give am. You get the point, abi? From Monday till Friday, you dey house. They put your tight for different place. If you see your fellow girl for road, you see and they be runs girl. Like you be okpo. Those girls better pass you. Those girls when they stand for road, they do okpo. They do runs. They better pass you. You dey friend 5 boys. You get 5 boyfriends. And you get 5 boyfriends. You no get work. You be okpo. Now you be okpo. You no good. You be ozuo. You no good. See, man, let you know one thing. If you need fast loan without your BVM, they no go ask you BVM. Now, very less the one now. Just follow the link on my bio. Understand me? So go to that page. Understand? If you need short game, anything short game, cheap data, just press the link. Understand me? So because my fans now they try, so I need to at least no be every time when they advise you now. Understand? I need to give now some update. So now 1,000 gratin sure. Understand me? So follow them and stop to the Zuzu for that is for street.